But men, they normally they use second wife for the correct mistake. A mistake in second wife correct. Maybe the woman not cute, the woman too not go school, the woman not know anything, the woman the fatter, the woman not posh, the woman not get patient, the woman too talk, the woman too this. Then if they are not going for second wife, the second wife will now be more of complementing the deficit of the first wife. The place where the first wife was having a lot of below standard, the man will be going for those things when he's taking the second wife. Now those one will make him say, I want to carry this one because my first wife not getting yash. This one gets, okay, let me take it. You know, just say, I feel get la palapa for his house. I want to carry another la palapa. Men, they think, or the money with the things that they feel for way. We understand that they think also.
People wahala when Rita don put am for Destiny and Esther body woto. He say what too classical. Wetin Destiny first see wey go meet Esther wahala.
But men, they normally they use second wife for the correct mistake. A mistake in second wife correct. Maybe the woman not cute, the woman too not go school, the woman not know anything, the woman the fatter, the woman not posh, the woman not get patient, the woman too talk, the woman too this. Then if they are not going for second wife, the second wife will now be more of complementing the deficit of the first wife. The place where the first wife was having a lot of below standard, the man will be going for those things when he's taking the second wife. Now those one will make him say, I want to carry this one because my first wife not getting yash. This one gets, okay, let me take it. You know, just say, I feel get la palapa for his house. I want to carry another la palapa. Men, they think, or the money with the things that they feel for way. We understand that they think also. This my first wife. He get breast. This one I want you to carry so when we have a sigma. I don't want this one like this. Now ya compliment it. This my first wife. You know even sabi talk. The one where I want follow so is going to be Porsche. This one na inside as ijukuni na he like ukuni. Ni awe gberi ekita dano. I want make there da. I want maybe say go be complimenting what is failing. So in this case of this man, Destiny, why are they? If I they talk to Destiny, they insult him with pride. Why are they insult him with pride? He insulted my father. He insulted my mother. My husband won't be Destiny mate. He insult him. He don't look back. You understand? For no reason. If to say reason, they I for not the insult him. Reason not they now. He just decided to just do all those things to please Frank or Moswell. So because of that, I use pride to the insult him. So so if you ask me to say, waiting Destiny go find rich where Esther did. Is it education? I would even get education past Esther. We be first wife. Good evening, Erifinfa, my darling brother. Is it tallness? I would tall pass Esther. Is it fine? I would fine pass. Is it sense? Larry, my darling. No come tell me say, only aka, Omona David see, I will start your Mona David, be one on my young. I want on my darling. Not tell me you where they look me so. If you see person way guessing you they know. Or I know you know one would that way. I know you behaving would that way. Or I know you women would that way. You know why you pretending. I want why you pretending came at this. Man, that they so go pretending. For guys say you say, Baba now have a fact, boy. That is how it is. You understand? So you where they look me so. Let's say you not just be person where they really they settle down. They look matter. Oh, you not have where man no me why. One me one no me why. I mean one no man no me why. If we be a Canada, na ya one no me why. O me so no wa gwa lo bo no na. O me so no wa gwa lo go me the other side. No see one na even na class. You get it. So this waiting a Destiny do time ame okay. De me ye what the me ga me no ye Destiny ya bule no pa. Which is a level where be saying conde a level of you can really you let it. Now the only thing we are go fit see reason come out for inside na be that one. Or let you let it kind of life. that lady, the first wife, not the lady, in a person with their own place, she like to be respected to do business. Then the man, now lady, right from time, the woman know the man when don't already be lady already. That is why it's good for people to choose. If man we want come marry you, two of you know they do the same thing together. My darling, don't go. Because now big problem ain't go be for you in the nearest future. He must leave you and marry a person where they the same level where they because husband and wife is like is supposed the reason why they sweet. That's why you see if your husband is smoky, wife not the join and the smoky, not they work, two of them supposed to be bamboo black. So that look good. For them it's normal. If now the one way be say husband way be say be like this, the wife will also be the way the man is. Before you know it, they will be happy. If not, another person will compliment the character of the woman, go can't take the woman. Or another person will compliment the character of the man. You go can't take the man, it will be like this thing for your eye. You understand? Really point passion is traveling, but no funds to do it. Okay. The woman like to travel, all right. She like to travel, but she not be musician. The man like uwiku. He like a musician team, person where go to the do all those tour and all. There is something that the thing where he like for the second wife body, you know, the first wife. Not be saying no like if you watch the way we meet the watch for this is my own personal thing now I talk, not be your own way they look me so. The way we meet the look to all them. Destiny. You love her word pass Esther. Now true now they tell me so. But money controls the world. Yes. Money controls the world. Maybe the money where they come out for where that one day. Now it be make pato. Not say these are brought things now. Ya let you let na ya jidian blah blah blah. Two of them they collab for that side. And they demand somehow and is no. Why woman is somehow. So the woman, the second woman is no. That first wife not even fit that man. I have to be sincere with you guys. The way we see the man, the first wife, he not be, but man not supposed to be married. A bit be any marry. Now another kind of me. But me go contact you say yeah, I will say you was a single mother before. I use that to help you. Carry you come out for single mother life. I come marry. You know, say a lot of men now this they now see marriage as if they marry you, they help you. That's why they will be loading you. It's like they help you. But the one where see you like say no help you, you know but they load you. You will be your friend. You know say I want to enjoy life with somebody. He says yes, he's always looking to protect her honor. They use this to make money. Yes. Now so me see and waiting at the see. They use the second wife till they make money. You will see even in their marriage there was no connection, no single connection in that marriage. Now what for now? One connection, and now we not connecting a hero. And then we married the second wife for Gurive. The first wife for Yagurive, we can't be. We beg a second wife. Even ye do be decided well here a second wife for now. You take the first wife with total. Gurive, Mama Rita. Gurive, Mama Whitney. You know, say that just like the way with the first one they talk. He said they no marry all these years. That's the retirati agbene, the typewriting agbene, which they say they no marry all these years. Now she cousin we be say they come marry after their papa come, after our papa come die. Now they come marry. Now that one you go tell no say the man love the woman. If you no marry and go ahead to do you go say via fian we fian no soon no soon. If you want go make no problem, but I will go ahead and marry you. Maybe he still tell you where the second wife say, or one you over because of coherence, I must marry that one before I even marry you. And over good or bad, first wife, you know, because okay, you marry a woman, can you work with make our work with my work here? You say, if not me, I can say sorry to her back. Person with the insult, I can't say sorry to her back. Person with the insult, my husband, never. If to say not me, na so we be also. I don't go live now. But you get the way with different people to live their life. If to say na me, Rita, the person that is insulting your husband, they don't insult your husband, will you say sorry? It depends on what people prioritize. Some people like violence for peace. Some people also go down to look at the matter to start. If not the person, now he really first start to the insult my husband, Anybody will first start for me to look for my trouble, I don't see any settlement between me and that person. Or see me going to apologize to that person first. I would never do it. But if to say you just know, say you just get up good for your trouble, sometimes your conscience can judge you. You do all those things. I don't know. Because not being the woman, the first woman not being the help. Now the second one, how about use the platform to help and all those things. You understand? That's why some of you are not saying it like Uvasabi. Why you can't come out and tell I say me they stop quarreling now. Abi, that is second wife no sabi put matter for us. That is why they talk before say good sometimes me person get some kind way be say all we polish. O man zara drive from Tanya zara yawa. Anybody needs zara yan was zara yawa for. If to say the life of that man fed get some more zara or wanyangawa. He no go no say na nyangawa. He go to say maybe na the man character nyangawa or wanyanga. If to say the woman character, you can't see be your man is zara small. A man would be what is zara na would be what la would that one would be what yawa. You know it goes zara and pass gauge the way we supposed to be. That's the way the queen could be and this happy queen could be for this life. So that wife right from time. If to say now we know that first wife the way we take the behavior, I think we for say na pretend. Even before say they go marry the second wife, the woman has been like that. Right from day one. Now so we should be, she never change. It never change one day. You know they follow person, you know they like social media something, you know they follow person they fight, you know they follow people they exchange ways, you know they insult people whether that, you know they look down. But when I see the small one, only obvious one me one. That one obvious one me one and I felt talking the time where you know those days I say oh na a music career I public because for my they coordinated. I don't know as I want to talk. She's not really there. Now the first wife they want try to now make them even they keep quiet. You tell them I say go feel open pine 5 voice Margaret. What you think you party ain't me now working. I'm a celebrity, because I am a celebrity who but she just want because celebrity that they carry talkie. People they talk about I know people will see the talk of Destiny Tico. I know people when they see they talk to a Mercy Johnson today. I know people, but she want, you know, you want to be a celebrity. She know they feel withstand talkie. She had told me a long time ago. I say, character owner, a career when I want a big agbo way. She will use a man take cost public for herself. Because if you don't get a like, no be where she did. She said, I know yes sorry for her video commenter. She said, let them be peace. All right, you know. Even I don't know, I not true watch the video finish, but I know say she pay. Be like say I'm blogger and now I just saying for the place where you go pay the woman. They very very important. Pass, you understand? Most of us with the social media, where your husband don't get problem with. Not be the he said if you want the way the woman talk now because say your husband get now she connects the person. If not, she for not involved. The person they use her name take the sink say now you direct me go meet her. That one I be her point with me can come out. May not be like say you don't talk about because I won't way you get as it be. I mean we no vision. I won't way get as it be my darling people. O me sati we dwe. If you no want sati worry beji. I don't go fit and even go even pretend. I don't feel unless I don't know. If I know, you go pretend. Say that one will be say 2 of them and do walk back to Ariba before make we no one a would be measure woo. Ahwa. Equal no go measure woo, and not dirty a woman no way, or I see a zo. Everyone, big one. Equal no one go measure woo. I no go green me away follow me weird plates. Even in Saturday, it set it do because all those things now fake. You know, say the time we they even do one for social media, we even know say na fake. It's about closing social media mouth. The idea comes from the man. Even the second wife don't want that cloth with the regard that they wear. The first wife don't want it. The first wife don't want it. The second one don't want it also. But the idea comes from the man. Because the man na show master. A man you why fake life when you know he could dig back himself. You understand? The man na show. When I even say when I be presenter, not be only presenter even one show. He want show his friends. It be a back with the party. Men wey be say that the Ghana they go party, go they spray, they do different things. All those one wey be say their wife no green, make them marry first wife. All those one wey use mat take spread them for corner. Wama be have it. Ya wala no bet this time around, my darling. Don't go there. And the one where you're ye. So the one where come to say, hey, we're more first one for them. We are more second one. We're more since my pay bread. We are more people will condemn that act. We not like and we talk one or two things. We are shocking this on her. You understand? The man also when do that marriage finish. I think talking for social media, they say don't try it at home. People they do film, they put money for this one to say this thing is periculoso. It's dangerous. Don't try it at home. A PC raw. A PC raw, my darling. The second one, yes, and the man, they get competitive spirit. Celebrity should be a role model worthy of emulation, not one to engage in public addition. Now that might just be the something. So now the woman, the small one, that make people can't even see the man finish. The man can't be like some more. It can't be like a partner that you don't even worth anything to anybody. The man because of talogbe. That second one. He don't get class. Me I dey look like one kind of digwe. I will digwe ye yaga eti na. E digwe no kigwe ade do take on what we do. That's why I take the look. He don't get level. Those days when she never the open mat. Now the look say na human being dey here. The time we don't the open mat, I say Jesus. I don't return. Don't know where she belong to. You understand? To even say me we be return. Movie act be go on. He left me get the way where they be. You understand? It's just terrible. So that is it, my darling people. The first wife, now you really get when they say class. You say why they say now so when they talk. If you know they do gra, you know they do like market woman. Who's your go you way? You know they consider for us. I mean you the shadow won't be like you and we talk pretend. That is where they want to reduce you. That is why you have to be careful about the people where they follow do things. They'll say, no, they pretend. It's not the real you. And the people where they fake account where they say it's not the real you, they say they don't want to do the reading. Ija. They don't want to do the reading. A phone, typing of keyboard. If I need share opinion, when me and the church with this on the way I'm at social media. If they even pass you, they say they don't know what to be social media, you see. A fake account is sending woko. Or away phone no more. A social media now, on say, okay, marry. You understand? He go dey pretend, but he go tell you, say, where the fact boy outside, you dey pretend. No. The person there outside, they do a business. The thing where you they protect, maybe now himself they protect. Although he dey outside. You understand? Our social media people, they sabi that thing well. But we will not mind. But the intelligent ones, they still know. They still get sense with them. Oh, man, we pretend to mess with pretend, man. He pretends to Dolivinji. Pretends they repeat things. People who know how to pretend sometimes. Oh, where when I'm a woman, they pretend no fear or any yama. Not be pretense women take the tough for us. They will know who yak baby what do. My mother way come the marriage now, but do not be down on quick bo. Not to be no date today. Boy, arriva. A walking trailer driver. May just start fight with any dick and dong. Any small thing where your husband just the young man you pretend oh you set you or you so work away you there you go use and take portion and go that side. A character now it is a ban ayeri. Who wanted that kind of life? Because say now your real life, you know sabi pretend. What kind of nyanga be that one? Before you know it, people will get tired and bored of that. I don't want pretend. I don't want pretend. Good evening, Mama Fab or Robo. Good evening, ma. You don't want pretend. Oh, you know bo. If you don't know why you know what or VF, you tell me why you know what boviane. After you don't use your mouth to do or woko. You can't say because I don't want pretend. A lot of people here the sunuti today. They are trying to look for friendship. Because what they don't do, they want to correct it. You will just be looking and you'll be laughing. You know, man, no man want a lazy woman. You want to try your best, make it do this one, do one like this, make it come correct and the way it can supposed be. The way the original factory setting, they cannot be like that. Pretense is good sometimes. Don't overrate it. Or we don't leave. He said, make everybody wait there. Do cyberspace pretend to be good. Me, I read that one because we get low never. May everybody wait there. Do cyberspace pretend to be good. Let's see if everywhere no go calm down. My darling people, yes. So people tell you, say, no, I will see me so, I don't have to pretend. I just do like this. Pretend we are, I see me, no matter how can you see gay boy. People don't already know you say, some kind of things